Good day, everyone. This is going to be a bonus episode for y'all today. You'll get to hear why I almost blew up my car today. So that was fun and neat. But if you enjoy this, please like and subscribe. We're still on the road to 1,000 subs before the end of the year. And yeah, let's get to it, baby. Enjoy the episode. Alright, I'm home. See if we can get started on this. Okay. Why did I come back here? It's not in here. Okay. Where are my tools? Oh, there are my tools. Okay. So, we're gonna need to bust open these. Actually, you know what? No. Hang on. Be right back. Alright. I got stuff. We're gonna try out some things before, I get too started in this. Alright, we can open up right here. So, fuse. Before I do any fuses, one thing that was a big issue was the terminals were ass. So I got new terminals. Positive, negative. Who knew? So basically, long story short, I was trying to get it running so I can move it over here so, I have a place to work on it. And I'll show you in a second exactly what happened. Need to move that nastiness. Positives over here, negatives over here. Every single one of my other cars with their batteries, that bitch is flipped. So when I tried jump starting it, I put negative, positive, and fucked a lot of shit up. So now I'm here diagnosing and whatnot. New battery, by the way, before anyone says anything. So let's take. Ooh, this is cold AF. Let's take out the old stuff. These don't fit. Of course they don't. Why would they? I'm sure these are 11s or 12s. Well, judging by all this rust. Not rust. Well, technically it's rust, but yeah. It's 11. No, it's a 12. I need to back this thing back a little bit. Jeez. Okay. Here's one. That's where all this. Positive. Yeet. Negative. Let's not fuck this up. Restoring cars are fun. I don't actually know what I'm doing. I thought I knew what I was doing. I do not. Well, I've never done anything like this shit, so hey. Perfect car to try some shit out with, I guess. 2, I guess. One, 2. Probably a whole new starter wire relay, and it's in my packet. It's in my pocket. Say packet. Nice. Before I start tightening things. It's funny. It's more, well, no, it is funny. It's just, I'm more excited to work on this than I am to work on, you know, all the way over there. Something completely, well, I like this car a lot more than I thought I would. My build plans for it, it's, like I said, it's gonna be a resto mod. I'm still debating whether if I want to keep this engine or not. I was thinking about V8 swapping it. You know, I won't say with what, but I was either gonna keep this motor or V8 swap it. I still want to stay automatic, so. Nice. See how much I can squeeze this joint. Giving some horse torques. Very interesting noises. Keys acquired, and I left for like not even 2 minutes, but it's not smoking. It's a start. Okay. Nope. God fucking damn it. Why? There's a new battery too. So I just stopped by, went to AutoZone, grabbed me new jumper cables, and I didn't even notice this till I just opened it. There's good and then just wrong. Well, at least it'll let people know. Like me. One time. All right, ladies and gents. So together. Negative. Positive. All right. Keep these away from each other so we don't spark. Positive. Negative. Hey, we did it correctly. Oh, there's dog shit. Ah, got on my boots. This one's clean. Okay. Not going to touch insane amount of dog shit. Don't touch wires. Starts. But this still doesn't want to work. I got my eye. Well, AC works. Ugh. Oh, my eye has a lot of dust. Ugh. Okay. Low gas. Who knew? Okay. It turned off. Did it run out of gas? No, just completely just straight cut off. The fuck? The hell? I'm gonna get back with y'all. Welcome everybody. Welcome back to fixing this. Ooh. Okay. Well, so this is the first vlog of 2025. Despite whenever this gets posted up, because there's a couple videos before this that needs to go up. So, hooray. This is so I don't get cold, because it's like 40 something degrees. And what we are going to try and do, alternator, let's have fun with that, shall we? This is going to be a solo dolo mission. It's a Thursday, everyone's working. I conveniently have off. And, well, I didn't want to be a strain on the boys too much. So first things first, we're going to take off this bottom bolt right here, at least nudge it. And it's a 12. Nope. Do I have half? Ow. Do I have a half or inch 12? If not, it's fine. Actually, maybe it might be an issue. Man, oh man, it is cold. So last time y'all saw this video, or saw it, is when we got it started up. And honestly, at first it was like gonna be a car that I was just gonna, you know, beat her. I wasn't really gonna build on it. But then I did some research on it, and I'm like, man, I may want to do some things to it. You know, it won't be you know, at best it'll be, oh, it's gonna be a cool daily. That's what I want it to be. Can I just do this? No. Yeah, I'm sorry, at the very minimum, sorry, I want it to be a cool daily. Now, it being an overlander, I don't know. you know, we'll see about that. I'll probably make it to where it can off-road and can do all that stuff, but that's not my primary objective with it. Not like working in cold weather. Yoink. All right, we're making progress. Somehow, some way. There we go. Oh, hey! Would you look at that? Gravity, who knew? All right, let me go grab the other one. All right. Shit, I was supposed to take that. Oh well. Ah. Bollocks. Oh well. This will do. All right. Oh. Neat. Let's not slip and fall on ice, please. That would not be good. So I'm just gonna hold out for a thumbnail. All right. So I'm able to, I found something. I had to go to the store to go do it, but slips in properly now. What you need, I'm gonna tell you this since the other dude did not tell me this. You need a M18 1.5 times 60 millimeter. Or I'm sorry, M8. Sorry, not M18. But yeah, one of these. Then you thread it on back here. Grab a socket, grab a bolt, slid it on, slid the socket on, slid the nut on. You're gonna just keep twisting this until this is like pretty much flat and it'll stop moving. Push that bearing or whatever this is all the way out. So with that, let's do the reinstallation. Had to put it back on my head. Ugh. All right. Boom. Are you a 14? Yes, you are. All right. Boom. Boom. Good and tight. Now for me, I'm going to put the belt back on. Boom. There we go. Slide this puppy out a little bit. Ooh. Ah, the alignment bolt's on the ground. That explains a lot. I was wondering why. You go over here. So after trying and failing, the other bolt fell down the thing. So yeah, we're just gonna have to make do with this as it is, and I will deal with it when the bolts fall down. Yeah, this is the right way. Where is it? There we go. Boom. Hopefully it's in. Belt's a little loose, but I have one in mind. I just gotta order it. Just gotta order it. I think that's all right. We're good. Now I just need a couple 10 millimeters. Cool. Catch y'all when I park that over here. Jealous. Anywho. Green means good. Okay. Ooh. Alright, and I forgot. I need to grab the keys for this thing. Yes, let's take the tools off the thing so we don't set anything else on fire. Okay. Neat. Hopefully this works. At least enough to back up and find that stupid bolt. Alright, starts. It needs gas. Still just dies. I don't get it. I fixed it. Stayed running. I found the bolt and with some help. Now we are consistently at 14.2 watts. Now I just need to figure out why radio and nothing else will work. Hopefully these fuses. Hopefully. But yep, that'll be it. Probably do another video about that later. Whew. Adios.